get next to do just now?
I don't understand.
You ask me say I'm me? You just mess.
Why would you say my girl mess?
So you know the smell that is mess so?
No. This one where you talk no good. I go just walk out from nowhere since when we sit down, nothing else, man. I just come now, I can't talk say what's in the mess. I beg, look at my girl, but I don't like how she talk herself. I don't like this embarrassment.
Come, you sure say you dey alive soon?
No. Now you just come since from nowhere, constant. Since don't start with this man. I mean, I am cool, say like this man. Jesus! I mean, I am happy this man. You can't talk say what's in this man.
So as you find like this, so package, so you feel pollute the air, everywhere go just spoil like this.
Please, I don't like this embarrassment. I don't like the way you are spoiling our happiness here.
Continue.
Just
Okay.
excuse us, please.
Okay, no worry. I go excuse you now. No problem. Okay?
Yeah. But don't mind him, please. Don't mind him. Jesus is Lord! Hey! Jesus!
They take the plea for that place, eh?
Apostle, we hear of this.
You know they pay. Second to do, the eyes go red. Third to do. That time, eh? I cry, they go cry. I dey come for them. If they sabi gas, I will give them level. I will give the level to them.
Jesus is Lord! Hey!
They go hear what?
Hey! I hear me, take me, by me.
Run.
Jesus!
Hey!
There is God, oh.
Faxyman, he just come from nowhere. He just come sit down here, mess, spoil everywhere. He don't come here before he mess. Now he come again, he mess again. Why is spoiling my day now? Why can't you allow me after good time with my girl?
Looks like mess, but this one is too heavy now. You should for body.
So he messed before.
Just this one. So this one is too heavy.
Fit mess. If it's none of your business, my mess are the mess, so you copy, you go hear word. Hear word.
Faxyman, so now go hear word.